Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Marco Espinosa. For today's video, I will be providing you some tutorial on how to submit your US tax form because just recently YouTube is asking us to provide another tax form because the one that we have submitted is about to expire on December 31 of 2024. So, ito, meron tayong error dito. Action needed. Your US tax form will expire at the end of 2024. Resubmit it in AdSense as soon as possible to make sure accurate withholding taxes are applied. So, ngayon pupunta tayo sa AdSense. Then, dito sa gilid, may makikita tayong payments. There, payments. Then, go to payments info. Afterwards, scroll down tayo. Go to settings. Then under settings, there will be manage settings. Click on it. Then go to United States tax info. May makikita kayong parang pencil or pen sa gilid. Click on it. Then click on manage tax info. And then under United States Form W8BEN, there will be an option to show tax details and documents. Click on it. Then it says here, this form is about to expire on December 31 of 2024. So we have to submit a new form. Click on submit new form. Then a pop-up will show up. If you start a new form, your previously submitted form will be removed. Then start new form. Then start form. Then you'll have to enter your password here. Then what type of account is your account? Is it individual or non-individual? It should be individual. Click on individual, then next. Then, are you a citizen or resident of the United States? Then, as for me, no. Click on next. Select W8 tax form type. Based on your previously selected answers, a W8 form is needed. W8BEN, this form is most commonly used by non-US individuals and would also be used to claim tax treaty benefits. So this one is for us. Or otherwise, select the other one. Then start W8BEN form. Then your name should appear here. Name of individual who is the beneficial owner. DBA, doing business as. Name or disregard entity. It's optional. Country or region of citizenship. So it should be Philippines. So there. Taxpayer identification number. Yan, lagay nyo lang yung inyong TIN. Should be on the foreign TIN. Anyways, it's optional. Then enter your address here. The mailing address, if it's the same as permanent residence address, then tick it. Then click on next. Under tax treaty, are you claiming a reduced rate of withholding under a tax treaty? Yes. Then select Philippines. Then click on all of this. Then Article 13 and Paragraph 2A for other copyright royalties such as YouTube Partner Program, Cloud Marketplace, Reseller Model, and PlayPass. Withholding rate 15%, reduced treaty. Then click on this. Services or other business income such as AdSense but not including AdSense for YouTube. Article 8 and Paragraph 1. 0 reduced treaty rate. 0%. Then click on this one. Motion picture and TV royalties. Article 13 and Paragraph 2A. Withholding tax or withholding rate is 15%. Then click on this. Then click on next. Then the next one is activities and services performed in US. Has Marco Espinosa performed any activities and services for Google within US or do they expect to do in the future? No. Then I certify. Click mo lang yan. Next. Then paperless delivery agreement. I go for paperless. Recommended. Then accept. Click on next. Then confirmation. Click on this one. Then click on next. Then click on this one. You can go ahead and read all this. This is for perjury and all. And certification and confirmation. Okay. Then click mo lang yan. Okay. This one is 2024. And that one is optional. And signature. Yes, I am the beneficial owner named in the tax identity section. Then your full legal name should be there. Then click on submit. Then after just a few seconds, you will see that it's already approved. There you go. So we are already safe na matataksan tayo under treaty at hindi tataas yung ating tax as YouTube vloggers here in the Philippines. So there you go. I hope this video would help all of us na mga vloggers to update the tax information sa ating Google AdSense. And if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, share, and subscribe ka na sa aking YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one.